welcome to Simplified Healthy Cooking. I am Gina. Today we're going to make a super simple recipe. It is called Quick and Easy Spicy Whitefish is what I'm calling it. It is actually, once again, in my husband's book called Get Your Lean On. It's on page 220 in here, but it's so simple I don't even think you'll need the book for the recipe. So what I did is I started out, we are using cod. My husband and I like cod. You obviously can use haddock or any sort of whitefish that you like. And I have it already rinsed and dried. I did squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on there, not necessary to do. All you're gonna do then is you're going to take a jar of your favorite salsa, spicy, mild, whatever you like, whatever salsa is your favorite, and you are just gonna pour that over this fish. The whole stinking jar, just like this. All right. Now, if that's not the easiest thing ever, I don't know what is. Then we are going to put this in the oven at 350. It's gonna bake for about 30-40 minutes. It depends on the size of your fish, obviously. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna be back and we are going to make a Fiesta bean dish. Okay, so here we go. We are going to be making our Fiesta bean dish to go with our spicy fish. This once again is super easy, but I'm telling you, it is super delicious. Like the flavors, I would have never thunk like this would have been something that even my husband loved, but he really does. So we're gonna get started. We are going to start with, I think we'll start with our garlic. We're going to do 2 cloves or so of garlic. I like garlic, so I use a little bit more than 2 cloves. Then we are going to put some lime juice in there. It calls for 3 tablespoons. I used fresh lime. Then after that, we're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. We're making the dressing first. So we're putting all these bellies in here, and then we're gonna put the other stuff on top of it. And then the last thing is I have some cumin. So it is a teaspoon of cumin and then a pinch of red pepper flakes. So if you like super spicy stuff, use more red pepper flakes, but just be careful because they are super spicy, but just a pinch is good. I'm gonna throw that in here. And lastly, I'm just gonna do a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. All right, mix that around just a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna get started with our other ingredients. I'm gonna be adding 1 can of black beans. And then I'm also gonna be adding a can of chickpeas. Now let me tell you something funny about these things. I had no idea that chickpeas are also garbanzo beans. Didn't know they were the same thing. So that's something new I learned. Maybe all of you know this and I'm the only person on planet Earth that did not know that, but that was kind of a fun thing. All right, so we got the can of those in there. We're gonna do a cup of cherry tomatoes. Yum. There was a 1/4 cup of red onion. Gives it some good flavor. And then one of my favorite things that I absolutely love, cilantro. Now, if you are not a cilantro lover, don't put the cilantro in there. You know, use something else. I thought with this salad, you know, if you don't like certain things, red peppers, green pepper, any sort of bell pepper might be fun in here with the flavor, if that's ginger. So then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna stir this around. And we're gonna put this in the refrigerator until our fish is done, just so it can soak in all these fabulous flavors. And then once that's all done, we'll be back. Okay, so our fish is finally done. And I also took the bean dish out of the refrigerator. All of our flavors are all soaked in there and it's super yummy. And our fish looks fabulous as well. So colorful. I love the colors. I love eating food that has lots of color to it and flavor. As you see, this recipe was so simple to make. Anybody can do it and it tastes absolutely fabulous and it's really good for you as well. So it's an A+ all around. So thank you so much for watching this video once again. And if you enjoyed it, please share it with a friend. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that as well so you know when my new recipes are coming out. I thank you so much and enjoy.